Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. I hope you're feeling amazing, just amazing. Today I'll be making some Korean fried chicken wings. Yes, some fried chicken wings. Love, love, love. And here are my ingredients that I'll be using just to season the chicken. So here I have 1,104 grams of wings, and I'm adding 2 tablespoons ginger, grated ginger, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 2 eggs beaten. You don't have to beat them. Half cup cornstarch and half cup all-purpose flour, right? And then you're gonna go in and mix it all up. And I know it looks crazy, like, oh, look at that egg just pouring in there, but listen, it all comes together beautifully and makes an amazing dish. So you want to go ahead and just mix it up, and then you're going to set it aside to marinate for at least an hour. So here I have my pot, and I'm just pouring enough oil in it that I can fry my chicken wings, right? And of course, make sure it's hot. You can test it with the bamboo, or is it bamboo? You remember what I did in my previous video. So yes, go ahead and add the wings. We are using medium heat because Vibes Fam, we're gonna double fry this chicken. So I saw this recipe on YouTube and I loved it. I tried it and amazing. I was like, no, I have to share with the Vibes Fam. Like, what? Just gorgeous. So of course, as I said, you're gonna fry them for 8 minutes total. Do not worry if you're seeing that, oh, it's not really fried, it's not fully soaked. That is fine because we're gonna double fry them, right? So 8 minutes tops, and then take them out and set them aside. So awesome. So we're going to take these out, and then I'm going to fry my next batch, right? So take these out, put them on your tray to, to get rid of the excess oil. Don't put them on a napkin, right? And yeah, put them on a tray, and then let's go in with our second batch. So there they are. And now let's go in for the second fry. And I didn't cut these because I felt they were going to be too small, right? If I cut them. Yes, that's it. And here I'm showing you my gochujang. This is a hot pepper sauce, right? This is what makes the Korean fried wings. I mean, this sauce is I bought it maybe like 6 months ago, and I didn't use it at first for a while. And yes, I'm telling you, Vibes Fam, this is everything. So yeah, go ahead and turn them over and then take them out. Remember, no more than 8 minutes, right? Because we are gonna double fry them. So take these out and then turn the fire all the way up. You're gonna buck that stove. We're gonna get this pot so hot, right? So yeah, take these out, and then the first batch that you fried, you're gonna put them in now, right? And yeah, we are going for extra crispy, Vibes Fam. So if you want to make your chicken extra crispy, you can always double fry them. That is a trick for extra crispy chicken, if you guys didn't know. I'm always watching calories for most parts, so I don't really take part in double frying a lot. But yeah, so go ahead and take them out. 4 minutes tops on the high heat. 4 minutes, and then you take them out. So flip them over maybe after 2, and here they are. Yes, and here are my ingredients that I'll be using for the sauce. So 2 tablespoons water, 6 tablespoons ketchup, 4 tablespoons, well, I'm getting all my ketchup So so hold on. And here is I'm adding 4 tablespoons of the gochujang hot pepper sauce. That's what it is, right? And some of the container has the English on it and some don't, right? But it basically look like the container that I show you, right? So yeah, I also added 4 tablespoons of honey, 1 or 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. I added 2. And then I also added 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons sesame oil, and 2 tablespoons brown sugar. And we're gonna go ahead and give that a stir. And as soon as it comes to a boil, we'll combine everything. And as soon as it comes to a boil and thickens just a bit, then that is you. Beautiful. Vibe Sam, did you hear the sound of the chicken when it drop in the pot? You hear how crispy it is? Just beautiful, just beautiful. So you want to go ahead and coat the chicken with the sauce, right? You want to make sure it goes everywhere, right? So take your time and flip them, dip them, do whatever you want to do. Right? Just get it all over the chicken. Vibe Sam, you are gonna love this one. So get it in all the crevices, all the creases. I mean, just all over that beautiful chicken. Yes, Vibes Fam, just nice. And please taste the sauce. Taste the sauce. When you combine it, taste it and make sure it's good. And Vibes Fam, here we have it. Here we have this beautiful, delicious Korean fried wings. Just gorgeous. And of course, I topped it off with some sesame seed. That's optional. You don't have to do that. It's just for a little pop. I mean, it didn't need it to pop, but you know, yeah, you just want to do a little something, something. But yes, Vibe Sam, this recipe is amazing. Like, trust me, if you can try it, if you can try to get the main ingredient, which is the gochujang, as I said, it's on Amazon. I will link it down below in the description box, the link to it on Amazon. And Vibes Fam, you should try this one. It was so good. My husband was like, let me see what all this excitement is about. And then when he tasted it, it was like, yes, deserve all the excitement. It's so good. So go ahead and try it, Vibe Sam, and let me know. Please hit the like button. Thank you for sharing your time with me. And don't forget to like. It's free. It helps my video. Comment, share, and subscribe. God bless you. Thank you.